This is my outfit for today. Everything is from Shein except for the bag, and these are the Avia sneakers. Okay, y'all, my mom just went into the store. I'm a little upset because obviously I plan on getting all the content I can. I brought my little remote, and I guess the battery has finally died. I think I've had this for like 5 years, so I mean, I don't know, in my mind it was like it was never gonna die, but it died. So I need to stop at like Dollar Tree. I think the worst part about it dying is not only the fact that it died, it's the fact that in order to switch out the battery, it's got this little screw, and I don't have a little screwdriver to even fix it. I can still take pictures with my phone, but it's just not the same. Like, I feel like this is so much quicker, and I just can't believe it. So yeah, like I said, she's in the store. I didn't want to go in this store. This is her store. You know, she's more of a thrifter than me. So, and I didn't come on vacation to go thrifting. I'm trying to figure out, while I'm sitting here and she's in the store, I'm going to figure out what I want to do. It's 1 o'clock, but I'm not hungry. I need to figure out like what I'm gonna want for like lunch. And of course, I want to go out for lunch. I kind of want to do like a little happy hour thing. Have me a drink. Oh, it's Cinco de Mayo. Hold on, I need to get me like some tacos and tequila. So yeah, I need to find me a good Mexican restaurant to go to. They got music playing, so I'm not gonna be able to talk while we're at. So this on TikTok, I don't know what I'm getting. I kind of want to get grwm something. So give me a minute. Real one is mid. It's regular. The chicken one is really, really good. Too juicy though. And the shrimp one is okay. Good morning. I did not do a like get ready with me, but this is my outfit. The shirt is probably from like TJ Maxx, Marshall, one of those stores. Jeans are from Fashion Nova. I'm wearing my Gucci slippers, which most of my outfits are going to be centered around these shoes, so get used to seeing them. And then when I wear the shoes, I'm always gonna be wearing this Gucci camera bag. I don't know the actual name of it. And then for jewelry, I have on this, both of these, well, no, this first bracelet, this like Van Cleef one is from like AliExpress, I want to say. And then the like chain one is from TJ Maxx. So yeah, that is my outfit today. So I made it to downtown. I'm going to a black-owned coffee shop called Lottie's Cafe. I believe it's called Lottie's Cafe. Lottie for sure. I don't know if the cafe part is accurate. I got about a 10-minute walk because parking in Charlotte is very tricky. Very tricky. Driving in Charlotte is tricky. But I got about a 10-minute walk. I'm debating if I want to bring my camera. I might just have to clean out my bag a little bit because downtown, very sketchy, very spooky. Even though our downtown is not that great either, but yeah, let me figure out what I'm gonna do with my bag. I want to bring the camera, so we're gonna bring the camera. Hey y'all, so I have been in the room since I went to get my coffee earlier. I ended up eating my leftovers from Taco Boy for lunch. Me and my mom are about to go to dinner at a restaurant called Eddie's. I believe it's an American cuisine type restaurant, so I will see y'all when we get there. I think it's in Uptown. And I kept saying downtown because you know Chicago has downtown, but Charlotte's downtown area is actually called Uptown. So I will see y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, I'm actually vlogging on my little camera. I left my big camera in the room. I just want to explain to y'all, like, for the past few nights, we have been going to my brother's house. And when I'm around my family, I really don't want to vlog because we really don't be doing much of anything. Like, they'll watch movies. I'll play with the dogs. What else do I do? Watch TikToks, watch stuff on my phone. We really just don't be doing anything worth vlogging. Yesterday we tried well, they tried a barbecue. Well, not tried, because obviously my brother living here, he's had the barbecue place, but we had some barbecue. All I got was the cornbread, but I showed y'all everybody else's food. My mom got like a brisket sandwich. I think my brother got burrito tacos. So I just went into Ulta because as I was doing my scrolling on TikTok, I'm really trying to get my skin better. So I ordered some like stuff. We kept passing Ulta by this hotel, so I'm like, let me just place me a little Ulta order so I can do some skincare. Especially with me being here, I feel like not having any or not having majority of my skincare products, my skin's probably getting neglected. Baby, it's hot in this car and I got the air on. But I ain't feeling anything, okay? Nothing. I was like, let me just pick up a few skincare products. So I picked up the Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant, and then I picked up the Ordinary. What did I pick up? What's this? The Ordinary Acylic Acid Suspension. So all this stuff is kind of like brightening, because I don't have acne anymore, or unless I have like a period breakout, but I do still have dark spots and I just want like an even skin tone. So I picked up those two products, so I'm gonna be using those while I'm here. Right now I'm on the way to my brother's house because we are going to the gun range and possibly going on the walk. I have been neglecting my fitness journey, wellness journey for at least a month now. So I'm like, we have a hotel with a gym, let me use it, and let me also go for walks because it's hot here. So if we don't go for a walk, I'm definitely gonna get myself in that gym today. So let's go ahead and head to his house, or I'm about to head to his house and I will catch up with y'all when we get to the gun range. Hey y'all, so this is actually our last day in Charlotte. We are actually getting ready to leave the hotel now. We are heading somewhere else. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I tried to record as much as I possibly could, but if you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.